So last year's PDP. So this is your personal developmental plan. So what this usually includes is any learning and development needs that you need. So if this is your first time doing your appraisal, you don't have to worry about this too much. You can just press I don't have PDPs from last year and save. However, if it is your second or third or fourth or fifth time, or even more, then you can add your date of your last appraisal, the doctor or your supervisor that did your appraisal for you, and add any developmental needs from last year. So for myself, we can do increase number of home visits. You can decide if the need was met by saying yes, no, or in progress, and any comments over here, and then just press save. So that's last year's PDP.